Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorials how to texture wood. To apply texture wood in object, you can go to material tabs in the right bar in it, and you can click on drop down menu, move into wood option, and this is for default texture wood in SketchUp. As example, I will click at this texture and then you can click into the object, so it will be automatically apply texture wood. The other option, you also can use image, wood image. You can go to file, click on import option. Don't forget to change the extension file into JPEG, and then set for your image. I will use this image, and then in here you can set into texture, click import, and then you can apply into the object. But first we need to double click in this object because this object in group, and then you can click again file, import, select the image, click import, and you can apply into the object. You also can see this texture wood on the material tab. You can go to in model in here, and then this is for the texture image. You can apply into the object like this. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorials how to texture wood. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.